Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What's going on? Today we are going to do a how to do a cut crease video. Yeah. So this is something new that is like all the rage lately. Well, I don't know if it's new per se, but it really is all the rage lately. Cut creases are a way to make your eyes appear bigger, not bitter, if you have hooded eyes like myself. So we gonna do just that. Let's do it. That was a shitty intro. Okay. So I really didn't think this out today. Alright, so as you can see, I already have foundation, my contour is done, and my eyebrows and my lips are done. So we're gonna get right into it. So the first thing we're gonna do is use, as always, my e.l.f. primer. I'm gonna prime my eyes with that. And I also have foundation and powder on my eyes, but a little extra barrier never hurts. Alright, so what I like to do first is do my crease. So we are going to pick a color out of here. Once again, we're using the Royal Fair palette. I used it last time, I know, but we're using it again because it's a bomb-ass palette. So So the first thing we're going to do is take this shade Monarch. It's like this olive green color. And we are going to apply that to the crease. I'm using a crease brush. Gotta shut those bitches up real quick. I'm using a crease brush by e.l.f. And I'm just going to get that on there. Tap it off. And we're going to apply that to the crease, which is this area. Just like that. And then comes the cut crease. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna take some concealer. I'm using Maybelline liquid concealer in 10 Fair, which is the lightest shade they offer because, yeah. And I'm going to apply that to a brush like so. And we are going to apply that to our crease. Now you can see where my natural crease is, but I'm going to raise this above the crease and we're going to fill in the entire thing with the same color, which will give the illusion that my eyes are bigger than they actually are, and that my eyelids are bigger than they actually are. So I like to start from the center and work my way outwards. Just like that. The reason why you want to raise it slightly above the crease is because if you don't, then it's just gonna, it makes your eye look smaller. So if you didn't raise it above your crease, then the green color that we applied will just be like hanging over like that, and you don't want it to look like this. You want it to look like snatched. So now we are going to pick a color out of our palette again. I did Crown last time, so I feel like I should do something else, even though I love that color. Be careful while the concealer is drying because as you can see, it can get smudged. I'm just gonna awkwardly hold my eye like this. We're gonna use the shade Imperial, which is this shimmery gold right here. And I'm going with my C brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to fill that all in. That's basically it. So this is what I would consider like a full cut crease. Let's just finish the eye out. I'm gonna just take more of that Monarch and put it on the bottom. Maybe wing it out a little bit. Put a little bit of that Imperial down there too. I think I'll put pink in the corner of my eye. So I'm gonna take the shade Lady and just stick that in the corner. Bring that together with my lipstick. So that's a full cut crease. Now you can do other things. You could do like a half crease, or I've seen some people they'll do a full cut crease but leave the middle empty, or put a different color in the middle. So let's try something a little different. So we're gonna start the same way. We're gonna take our brush that we use for Monarch, and we're going to apply that to the crease again. So as I said before, there's like many different kinds of cut creases you can do. So I already did one here. I have just the regular like crescent moon cut crease. Now another way you could do it is just to do the inside half of your eye, and then cut it down the middle and just bring the green in all the way. I'll actually post a picture of what that might look like. Actually what it will look like. I did it last week for my New Year's Eve look. So that's what I'm talking about for the half cut crease. And then another way you could do it is make the cut crease wing out. There's really so much you can do with it. So let's do the one where it wings out, because I like those. Those are fun. So we're gonna do the same thing. We are going to take our brush that we used our concealer on, put some more concealer on there, and then we are going to do the same thing. I gotta bring my mirror close for this. Hopefully y'all can still see. Starting again in the middle. So then we are going to switch to a slightly smaller brush, like so, because this is where the wing comes in. We're gonna put more concealer on our brush, just a little. You really don't need a lot. And we're gonna wing it out like we would wing eyeliner. So then from here, we're just gonna fill it in with the color. And you will need a smaller brush to fill in that outer edge. Just like that. And then to make that winged cut crease look more prominent, I'm going to take my eyeliner and just give that a wing, kind of like trace it underneath. Just like that. I am really living for this gold green look. But you can't go anywhere in Wisconsin wearing green and gold without someone being like, oh, Packers. No, bitch, I just like gold and green. So there we have it, 2 different ways to do cut creases. Like I said, there's a million other ways to do this, but these are the 2 we went over today. If you want me to do more cut creases, or you see something that you want me to attempt, let me know. I'll do it. I'll take any challenge. So yeah, if you guys like what you saw today, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and check back next week Tuesday for a brand new tutorial. Bye everybody.